Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for you to show you how you can be practicing your math facts at home, either by yourself or with a sibling, or mom or dad, grandparents, anybody that's at home with you. Okay? So you're either going to need some dominoes, some cards, or some dice. Okay? Also a piece of paper and something to write with. So these games work for all three. They work for the dice, they work for the cards, they work for the dominoes. So let's start with the dominoes. Okay, just like in class, you're going to lay the dominoes out face down. Okay. And when they're all face down, you're going to pick whichever one you would like, fold it over, and count. This side has 7 and 1. I'm going to multiply. 7 times 1 equals 7. Put that off to the side. Okay, I'm going to flip another one. Oh look, 7 times 3. Okay, I'm going to go up here. Ooh, that's a tricky one. 12 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12, carry my 1, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 72. Ooh, that's a big number. Okay, I'm going to come over here, flip another one. 12 times 5, I know that's 0, 60. Oh, here's one, here's a good one. 11 times 7 equals 77. Okay, as I get going, I notice the patterns on the dice, or on the dominoes. I notice that this is a 7 and that's quickly identifiable as an 11. All the dots filled in on mine is a 12, the 5, a 6 and a 12, a 3 and a 7. So you could play this against somebody if you wanted to. You could lay all the tiles out and you could both pick one. Okay, 12 times 1 for somebody and 10 times 4. I know that 12 times 1 is 12 and 10 times 4 is 40, so the larger number wins. 40. This person gets to keep both of them. You can go again, flip them over. Ooh, 11 times 1 or 1 times 7. I know that 11 is larger than 7, so I'm going to keep these two. And you keep going and going and going until all the dominoes are out. Okay, I'm just going to put them off to the side. And now, once all the dominoes are sorted through and you have multiplied all of them, you count to see who has the most. I ended up with 6, and the person I was playing against had 8. That person wins. Okay? You can also play with a sibling, a younger sibling, and you can add the two numbers on the dominoes. Okay? So instead of multiplying, you would be adding. Okay? That's one with the dominoes. 2 games with the dominoes. Addition and multiplication war, pretty much. With the dice, if you're by yourself, you can roll dice, and you can get 1 times 2 equals 2, and you can just keep track. 3 times 2 of the math fact that you rolled. 6 times 5. Okay. You could also add these. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then your younger sibling could roll. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then you could keep track of who wins or who has the larger number. Okay? You can multiply and you can add with the dice. You can also do the same thing with cards. Just like a normal game of card war where you would flip 1 and see who got the larger number, you could flip 2 on both sides. You could either multiply or you could add. I like to think of the jacks, the queens, the kings as 10s, and I like to think of the jokers as a 1, or you could just pull those out. So in this case, I would have 8 times 10 equals 80. And on this side, I would have 6 times 9. 6 times 9, I know, is 63. Which is larger? 80. So all the cards would go to this person. Flip 2 more cards. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. Oh look, this person won again. I'm going to place them over here. And you keep going till the whole deck of cards is empty. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 7 is 70. This person just keeps winning. Wow. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 9 is 90. Well, whoever's on this side has got their luck with them. 10 times 6 is 60. 7 times 2 is 14. Oops. This player wins. They get to keep it. As long as you keep going till all the cards are done, then count your cards and then you'll have a winner. You can also add with these instead of multiplying, and you can play with a younger sibling or cousin or older brother or sister, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever you have to play. Or you can even do these. 2 times 7 equals 14. Quiz yourself. 6 times 10 is 60. 10 times 2 is 20. 9 times 10 is 90. 3 times 10 is 30. 7 times 10, wow, Miss David, you know your tens. 7 times 10 is 70. 1 times 10 is 10. 5 times 10 is 50. No, I did not do this on purpose. 9 times 6 is 63. 8 times 10 is 80. And so on and so forth. Until you get through the whole deck. Then you can shuffle them again. And you can do them again. These just help you practice your math facts. Remember, you can also work on reflex. You can work on the other one. You have where you can race the teacher. Oh, extra math and reflex. Or you can play games like these. Games sometimes are a lot of fun. And you don't have to have a computer or anything to play. Okay? Well, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll post some of the rules and some other games as well to play with dice, dominoes, and cards in our Google Classroom. Have a great day, guys.